Hey cat parents, this under $25 wool mouse toy has a secret weapon, a 6-foot tail that drives cats wild. Here's what makes it special. They are handcrafted in Nepal using 100% New Zealand wool. There's no catnip needed. It's perfect for solo play or interactive play, and if you move it away from your cat really slowly, the tail moves and mimics just like real prey. It drives cats crazy. If you're ready to make your cat's holiday, check out the link to shop in my description, and don't forget, subscribe for more perfect finds in my complete holiday gift guide.